Hi, astroferret with the astro weather for Friday, the 24th of July. The moon moves into Sagittarius first thing. Sagittarius is an outgoing fire element energy. It's buoyant and optimistic. Sagittarius is the sign of the traveler, curious about the whole world and all the diverse cultures and philosophies. The sign for Sagittarius is the archer, a centaur archer, half man and half horse. So Sagittarius has a wild side and a relatively civilized human side. Saggy wants to move on and learn, and it can lack the patience for mundane routines of everyday life. Saggy Moon and Sun in Leo in trine have a lot in common. They're both outgoing, fiery, active energies. Saggy Moon has a big vision, and Sun in Leo is ready to back it enthusiastically and tell the world. Sun is still influenced by nearby Jupiter, the ruler of Sagittarius, so that expansive, ambitious, optimistic quality is amplified. In fact, easily straying into unrealistic expectations. But vision and ambition are much needed just now. Sagittarius cares about finding meaning, and the sun always embodies our sole purpose. So today is a great day for blue sky thinking about what it's all about. Then the outer bounds moon checks in with all the outer planets and with Jupiter as well, all the elements of the big basket aspect pattern that's going on for the next week or so. In fact, Moon elaborates the pattern with the fleeting creation of another formation, a kite, and even a mystic rectangle. The moon's contact with Neptune and Jupiter create a fleeting grand trine, and then they involve Pluto too to focus the grand trine energy. Suddenly, Sagittarius moon's optimism doesn't seem too much. We see clearly how the Neptunian dreams can be realized, and we have the courage to collaborate and the courage to transform everything. Then Moon opposes Uranus, Gemini air fanning the Sagittarian flames. Sagittarius wants to expand and explore, and Uranus is ready to take it places beyond imagining. Together, they make a firework of inspiration. And like fireworks, they soon die away, but we've seen the possibilities. And it won't feel so much like an opposition because Moon, Pluto, Uranus, and Jupiter unite briefly in a mystic rectangle. That's a harmonious mutual connection of disparate energies. It introduces a new capability to achieve and solve problems. It's considered a very spiritual configuration. Well, all these lofty and high-blown energies are impacting us personally. Yes, the potentials are this big. It can be exhilarating to consider radical new possibilities and exciting, if daunting, to realize, yeah, I could do that. It's also mentally exhausting, and we risk also feeling deflated as the excitement of the grand vision slips away. Mercury sextiles Venus in the evening. A strong Mercury in Cancer will keep us safe mentally and emotionally. It will remind us that this is not all happening now. It's a snapshot of the future that will help us through the current challenges and indicate new ways forward. We don't have to know how it will all happen at the beginning. We don't even have to aim directly, just hold the vision. And Venus in Virgo, in sextile, reminds us that creativity is at our service. So, grounding these amazing ideas in art or writing is a great way to lock in the potential energies of today by creating a visual or a poetic blueprint. I hope you have the most fantastic day. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow.